my angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here, and today I am here with a very exciting product review, and I have a personal experience using this when I was in Dubai, and finally this product launched in India. So we are going to talk about Loreal Extraordinary Oil Serum. This is a serum and we are going to talk about how wonderful this product is and what all this can do for your hair and what all this has changed to my hair, because you guys already know how frizzy and dry my hair is. So we are going to talk about all the goodness about this product right here. So if you are interested in knowing about this product, then please keep on watching. So let's talk about the packaging first. As you can see, this has a beautiful golden bottle with a golden cap, and the best thing about this packaging is this pump. You can just pump your product and you can lock it in this way, so there are no product wastage. And as this is a glass bottle, it's very convenient for you to know how much product is remaining and when you can order. So even there is one more thing, at the back side they have a sticker and it has mentioned how you can use this, and this has a combination of 6 rare flower oil, and that is the lotus, tear, rose, flax, chamomile and sunflower. Now I have been using this serum for detangling my hair and even to remove all the frizz. Now you guys know how frizzy my hair is, like all the flyaways, and my hair looks very frizzy, and from that, like after using this particular product, I can see my hair looks very nice, smooth and shiny. Like my hair is super frizzy and I can't manage my hair. So this product is working really amazingly for my hair, and I'm sure it's going to work for each and every hair, as this is perfect for all hair types. If you have curly hair, straight hair, frizzy hair, it's going to work wonderfully. It's going to give you a very nice shine on your hair. It's going to make your hair very healthy and strong as well. And as I said, I used this product previously when I was in Dubai. I can say my hair was beautiful over there. I wish I could include some pictures. You can see in my community post, I'm going to post some pictures. You will see how beautiful my hair was, and I did not use this product for almost 5-6 years now. And finally, after this product launched in India, I'm super excited and I'm going to recommend this to every one of you. I have recommended this product to few of my friends and cousins, and they are loving it so much that I even thought of sharing it right here. So yes, this is a highly recommended product for all of you. Like for whatever hair type you have, this is going to work wonderfully, and it's my guarantee that you're going to love this product. And in this clip you can see how my hair looks. It's super frizzy and dry. After using this serum, it definitely makes my hair very smooth and shiny. All the frizz are visibly gone. As you can see right here, I am using this product, and as I said, it detangles my hair as well. Like I always use this first before combing my hair, and then when I comb my hair, you can see it glides on super easily. Like my hair is not getting tangled with the comb, and it's very easy. There is no breakage as well. And I have included the before and after image as well as the timestamp for you to understand how my hair looked. And I use this product multiple times, like before washing my hair, like before shampooing, even before blow drying, after blow drying. Even I use this when I'm straightening my hair. Like this can protect your hair up to the heat of 230 degrees, which is amazing. And I use this always whenever I'm on the go or whenever I am straightening my hair. Like for any styling, anything, you can just trust this one product. Even this product claims that it protects from sunlight and it controls 98% of hair fall, and hair also smoothens by 87%, which is amazing for a hair serum, because this is protecting your hair and even making it healthier. And this product is like a magic for my hair, so I am recommending to all of you, and this retails for only 499. So it is super affordable and it has 100 ml of product, which I said earlier. So you're getting a very nice deal for this serum. Like, you are going to love this product and never regret it. So if you want to purchase this product, check it out in the description box. You'll find the link. And if you enjoyed this review, let me know in the comment section below what you enjoyed the most. And if you want to get your hands on this, I highly recommend, so please go and check this out. So that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you enjoyed, please let me know by commenting and even like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I'm coming up with a new video. And that's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.